Okay, so today, friends, we are going to do our next topic, that is more about the new keys of grade 3. So in grade 3, as I told you in the previous topic, in the second or fifth, that they introduce four more scales, keys, you can say, that is D major, B flat major, then B minor and G minor. So let's do the exercises. You can check the previous video for the scales which we have introduced new one. So we'll straight away go to the exercises now. So first question is, write the key signature and the tonic triad in root position for each of the following keys. Okay, so two things we have to remember. One is the key signature and second is the tonic triad in root position. This is very important, the root position. Okay, there is no inversion of it. So now let's do the first one. You can see the example given here. So let's go to the G minor. Now G minor we know is a relative key of B flat major. So that means it should have two flat note, and that would be your B and E. Okay, so let's make the key signature first. This is your treble clef, this is your B, and this is your E. So these are the two key signature of G minor. Now we have to make the tonic triad with the root position. So the root would be, so if you're making the tonic triad, it should be, the notes we should use is G, A, B, C and D. So this is first degree, third degree and the fifth degree we have to use. So let's start with the G. So this is treble clef. So we start the G here. So this is the first note, this is the third degree and this is the fifth degree. So this is our tonic triad in G minor. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Next one is our B minor. So B minor is relative of D major, so that means we should have two sharp, and that would be F sharp and C sharp as a key signature. Now this is a bass clef. So in bass clef we have F is this, so let's make F, and second space is C. Okay, and the notes we should use in this is B, C, D, E and F. So these three notes, first degree, third degree and the fifth degree we have to use. Let's start with the B. So this is second line is B, so B, D and F. So this is our tonic triad in root position for B minor. Okay, now next we have B flat major. So B flat major, we have two flats, that would be B and E again. So it's a treble clef, so we go with B and we go with E. Okay, now B flat major, so we start with the tonic triad of the B only. So this is our B, so as it is becomes B flat because the key signature represents it as a flat, and next and the fifth degree. So again the notes we used is B, C, D, E and F. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, that is G minor. G minor, again the relative of B flat major. We told you we have done this. So this is, we again use B and E as a key signature. This is bass clef, B is the second line and E is the third space. Okay, so here, and the notes we're gonna use G, A, B, C and D note. Okay, so we use G, this is basically, let's start from here, G here and B and D. Okay, here we finish with this tonic triad of G minor. Let's move on to the last one. Last one is D major, and D major has two sharp, that would be F sharp and C sharp. And let's make the key signature first. So this is treble clef, F is this and the third space is C. Okay, and the notes we're going to use for tonic triad is D, E, F, G and A. So D, F, A, first, third and fifth degree. So D major, let's start with, this is D here, we can start from here, D. So this is our D, F and A. So here we finish our last tonic triad with the root position, that is D major. Okay, now let's move on to the next exercise. So in the next exercise, if you can see here, it has given, write a 1 octave B flat major scale in minims going up then down, use a key signature. So you can see the example given here. Okay, we go to the next question. That would be write a 1 octave D major scale. So 1 octave D major scale in minims going down and then up. Use a key signature. Okay, so let's start from the backwards. Let's start with the key signature first. So D major. So D major we know has two sharp key in it. That would be your F sharp and C sharp. Okay, so let's make the key signature for this. Is our bass clef, so this is our F and this is our C. Okay, now we have to start D major. So D major, that means should start with the tonic note D. So we'll take D from, and we have to go down first. So we start from D here. This is the D which is here. So let's make D here. We'll make, because we have to go down and up, we'll make one D here. Okay, so let's go down first. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is 7, and this is 8. D, we go back 1 2, then 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so this is how we do it. We have to make them minim. So let's make them minim first. We start from D here. This is D going till here. Let's go upwards. This one can go up as well. So here, up. Okay, and now let's check, have we done all the, we have used the key signature. Here we have gone down and then up. Okay, we have used minim, and this is D major scale, 1 octave. Okay, okay, so now let's move to the next one. I hope you understood. Now next one we have is with us is write a 1 octave B flat major. So B flat major, 1 octave B flat major, crotchet going down then up. Do not use key signature. Now remember, we do not have to use a key signature. We have to use the necessary accidentals. Sorry, necessary accident, not unnecessary, necessary accidentals. Okay, so in this one, what we have to do first, so they said don't use a key signature, so we will not use a key signature, but we should know that which are the notes we use for the key signature. This is B flat. So in the B flat major, so B flat major, we know there are two key signature notes, that would be B and E. So B flat and E flat, these are the key signature, but we don't have to put the key signature. We'll straight away make the scale first. So we start with the B, we have to go down and then up. So let's start with over here. So this is A and this is B note. So we'll start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. See, this is a B, this is a bass clef, and second line is a B. Okay, let's move up. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, crotchet notes, let's make the notes first. So this is our B, come till here. This can go up, so we'll go up, this can as well, down, okay. Now we did not do the accidentals here, sorry, the key signature, but we have to put the accidentals. Now we have to see, this is our B, so this is our first degree, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth degree. Now we need to know, we should have B as a flat and E as a flat. So if we start from B, this note is B, so we put B here, we put a flat signature here. Next we have this B, we're gonna put a flat signature here. Okay, and then if you go B, C, D, E, the third space, if you're going to put a one flat in front of that, that's it. We're not going to put it here and here because this is within the one bar. So if within the one bar we have to put only one time, we don't need to do it. That means it automatically applies on the second note of it. If there is a would have been a bar, then we would have changed, put it again. Okay, but it within one bar, we don't need to change it again. Okay, so this is, we're going to put only these three accidentals over here, okay, which applies to the next note as well. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. So I hope you understood that much. So next question is, write one octave G harmonic minor. So one octave G harmonic minor scale with minims going up and then down. Use a key signature. So G minor, so G for first G minor scale, we need again B and E as a key signature. So let's put that first. So B is here and the E is the fourth space. Okay, now next we have to go down minims. So G, let's start G here, let's start G here. So we'll go down, sorry, we have to go up. So we start from here. Let's start with this G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going down. 3, sorry, this is a wrong, we missed the space. It will be space for B, A and G. Okay, and this was supposed to be minim note, so let's put the stems on them. Okay, here as well. Going up in this one. Okay, and we have to make it harmonic minor. Now we know if it is a natural minor scale, to convert it into a harmonic minor, we need to raise the 7th degree with a semitone. So which is the 7th degree in this one? We'll start from up. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th and 8th. So that means the 7th degree is F note. So F note we have to raise by a semitone, and this is our natural, so this becomes a sharp, and this becomes our scale. And now this one applies back here on its own, so we don't need to put it again over there, because while coming back as well, it is you play the same, you will raise the 7th degree with a semitone. Okay, so we don't need to put this key signature again here because this is within the one bar. Okay, so we put it this, that makes our G harmonic minor scale. Okay, let's move on to the last exercise. The last one we have is write a 1 octave B natural minor scale in semi breve, going down then up. Do not use a key signature. Again, we do not have to use a key signature. This is B natural minor scale, semi breve, going down then up. Write in the necessary accidentals. So again, we have to put the accidentals. Before that, we'll find what are the notes which we use for the key signature in B minor. So in B minor, we use F and C as a key signature. Okay, so we're not going to use a key signature right now, but first we'll make the scale. So we have to start the scale with the B, and then we are going down first. So this is our, so let's start from here. This is our B note. So B is going downwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna use 2, 1, back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now we have to first, let's put the key signature, the accidental. So we're going to put on F and C. So this is our bass clef, this is our F. So so F and the C. Okay, and this applies here with the following same notes, and this is a natural minor, so We don't have to do anything else. This is how we're going to play. Only we will use a key signature in this one. Okay, so here we finish with this exercise. I hope you understood. This chapter helped you out to understand few things. So now I'm going to see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you. Even if you have any questions regards to this topic, please let me know in the comment section, and please share the videos as much as you can, guys. Thank you.